Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best gluten-free bread machine that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Breville Custom Loaf Bread Maker. The Breville BBM800XL Custom Loaf Bread Maker is an excellent bread maker to have if you bake different sizes of bread at different times. The bread machine supports 4 bread sizes: 1 pound, 11 halves of a pound, 2 pounds, and 21 halves of a pound, eliminating the need for you buy 2 bread makers for small and large loaves. A fruit and nut dispenser makes it possible to quickly and evenly distribute all kinds of dried fruit and nuts if the recipe calls for them. The kneading blade folds in once the kneading phase is complete, creating more room for the dough to rise and minimizing the hole at the bottom of the bread, which bread makers are notorious for leaving. One of the best features in this machine is the power backup. In case your power cuts out, it has a 60-minute backup that will keep your bread cooking as you connect an alternative power supply or wait for power to be restored. The LCD control panel is not only easy to control and read, but comes with 13 auto settings, giving you a wide range of customizable options. Also included are 46 recipes that include gluten-free, whole wheat, yeast-free, basic, and custom recipe charts. You can choose the automatic settings or opt to input your preferred settings manually. The LCD screen will still show the settings you've adjusted manually. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Hamilton Beach Bread Maker Machine. The Hamilton Beach 29882 Bread Maker is a large capacity bread machine that gives you the choice of baking a 1.5 pounds or 2 pounds loaf. Its compact design makes it an ideal choice for small kitchens where counter space may be limited. And because it's not tall, you can keep it in a shelf or open cabinet and not worry about not being able to open the lid. At 11 pounds, it's also somewhat light and you can move it with ease if you need to relocate it. The bread maker uses 2 kneading paddles, with the option to use only one. That means if you remove one paddle for whatever reason, you can still knead your dough efficiently using the remaining paddle. Choose from 17 settings that include gluten-free, whole wheat, quick bread, sweet, cake, and jam options. Choose your preferred crust color from light, medium, and dark. There is a delay option in the timer that allows you to set when the baking process can be completed. The baking pan is non-stick and dishwasher safe, which makes cleaning it super easy. While the bread machine doesn't have a fruit or nut dispenser, it has a bake audible reminder that alerts you when it's time to add fruit or nuts if your recipe requires it. At number 3, we have the T-fal Bread Machine. From afar, the T-fal ActiBread bread maker looks so small you may think it's meant for making small loaves. However, it is a 2 lb capacity bread maker with the option of making 2 other smaller sized breads. Altogether, it can make 1, 1.5, and 2 pounds bread. The only downside to this small build is that while it is sufficient for the smaller breads and other small meals, the ingredients tend to overflow when making a large loaf of bread. The resulting mess can be a pain to clean as the gooey mixture goes into crevices that take time to clean. The redeeming detail is the brushed stainless steel frame, which is a joy to clean. Choose from 15 preset courses that include gluten-free salty and sweet options, whole wheat, rapid whole wheat, rapid sweet bread, dough, pasta, cake, and jam options. Also, choose crust color from light, medium, and dark. Experiment with more recipes from the accompanying recipe book, which has 25 recipes, and adapt your own custom recipes for use in the machine. Other noteworthy features include the handle on the pan for easy removal, and the delay startup, which allows you to delay the baking process by up to 15 hours. There is also an automatic warming setting which keeps your bread warm. The bread maker comes with accessories like a measuring cup and spoon. At number 2, we have the Panasonic SD-YR250 bread maker. With a 2 pounds loaf capacity, The Panasonic SD-YR250 bread maker is a great choice of bread maker for bigger families and for when you're entertaining. The timer has a delay timer with an option to extend the baking time by up to 13 hours, so you can set the machine to finish baking an hour or so to when you intend to serve your bread. This may be a large bread machine, but it is designed to occupy minimal space on the counter, with a tall and slender build that makes it a good fit even in smaller kitchens, and a not-so-bulky 15 pounds in weight. It comes with 2 automatic dispensers to make the addition of ingredients quick and smooth and ensure even distribution of the same. The Yeast Pro dispenser is optimized to distribute the yeast evenly so that the bread rises uniformly and is even-shaped. The second dispenser is a nut dispenser that can distribute up to 5.30 z of nuts, raisins, seeds, and dried fruit at a time. The bread pan has a handle that stays cool to the touch for comfortable handling. Enjoy 8 courses that include both gluten-free and regular dough and batter recipes. With this machine, you can bake gluten-free bread and regular bread if you so desire. Best of all, it does not limit you to use only the programmed recipes and courses. You can customize any recipe for use with the bread maker. And finally at number 1, we have the bread maker, Albohes 2.2 lb stainless steel bread machines. If you're a sucker for technology and prefer to have your gadgets do all the work for you, you'll love Albohes MBF019 bread maker. This bread machine is pumped full of handy features that include wireless control and a digital touch panel. That's right, there are no buttons to push. All the controls are touch-based and highly responsive. The wireless control technology allows you to choose and adjust your settings through the app or via Alexa. This Albohes machine supports 3 bread sizes. You can bake 1.1, 1.7, and 2.2 pounds loaves in it and choose from 3 crust options each time: light, medium, and dark. Choose from 17 preset programs that include gluten-free and regular bread and cake options, jam, and yogurt courses. The timer gives you up to 24 hours to bake in advance and an optional warm keeping setting that keeps your bread warm for 1 hour. There is a detachable nut dispenser that evenly distributes fruit, nuts, or seeds at the right time in the mixing process. A large viewing window allows you to monitor the bread making progress, while the LCD screen displays how much time is remaining until your bread is ready. There is a 15-minute power interruption recovery that keeps the machine running if power cuts out, ensuring that the baking process goes on uninterrupted. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.